Open any web browser on your connected mobile or computer. Type 192.168.2.1 or your current IP address and press enter. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Then click on Administrator on the left side. Then click on Users. On the right side, toggle the switch to enable Edit Administrator settings. Type your new admin username. Type your old password. And type new password. Retype new password. Scroll down and click on Save. Waiting for uploading processing data. Now again log in the new admin ID and password. Click on Login. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click, and see your next updated video.